Hey cooks, we're going to do a little experimenting today. We're going to make burgers in the Sinfonio electric pressure cooker. You're probably saying, burgers in a pressure cooker? We're going to pressure cook them, finish them in the oven and brown them off. They're going to be juicy, tender, and absolutely delicious. So join me as we make burgers in the Sinfonio electric pressure cooker. Yeah, we're a little crazy today because we're going to make burgers in the pressure cooker. Now, I just want to take this opportunity to thank Sinfonio for sending this pressure cooker. We did a garlic spaghetti in it, and it was absolutely fantastic. This is a 6-quart pressure cooker, also known as the Simpot, and it can pressure cook, steam, slow cook, saute. It can even make rice and yogurt. So it's a pressure cooker, but it's also a multi-cooker. So if you'd like to take a look at this Sinfonio pressure cooker, I'll put a link down in the description. So let's prepare our burgers to put in the cooker. Okay, so I already prepared our patties. I basically took some ground beef and I seasoned it a little bit for the inside with salt, pepper, and garlic, granulated garlic. And I made them into these patties using a little ring. But you can just hand do it, right? So I'm going to put on one glove. And I'm going to get a little bit of foil. And I'm going to take our burger. I want to kind of season them on the outside. I'm going to put a little pepper in there, a little bit of salt on the outside. Right, Bill?
Sure.
We're going to take a burger, we're going to flip it over onto our foil. I'm going to give it a little pep and a little salt. Yum, yum. We're going to go ahead and wrap our burger up in the foil. Yay! And let me do the other one. So we already seasoned this one on that side. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to give us a little bit of pepper. Pepper. Little bit of salt. You can use whatever you want. Eric just likes basic seasoning. Since I put garlic on the inside, he's cool with that. And now we're gonna wrap this burger up. Yay, now we're ready to go to the cooker. So I have a 1.5 cups of water here. We're gonna go ahead and put that in our inner pot. Now make sure that you are putting it in the inner pot. I have heard so many reports of people not having their inner pot in there and they accidentally put it straight into the cooker. And just remember, do not pour anything in here unless you see stainless steel, right? And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our steamer basket in here. This is awesome because the Simpot comes with this steamer basket. A lot of pressure cookers, you have to buy this extra. So that is really nice. We're going to pop our burgers right into here. We're going to put the lid on. And now we're going to set the cooker. So we're going to set the cooker on the pressure setting. So we're going to scroll over to pressure. We're going to go ahead and hit the button. We're going to change the time to 15 minutes. Whoops. And we're going to go ahead and hit start. It's going to give us the progress up here, and it will tell us that we're in preheating or cooking stage when it's ready to cook. We're going to cook this for the 15 minutes. then we are going to allow it to naturally release. So when it goes to keep warm, we're just going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we will remove the rest of the pressure manually. Okay, so it cooked for 15 minutes, and we did a 5-minute natural release. Now we're going to get the rest of the pressure out of here. Woo, not too much left in there. Woo. So let's open this baby up. Make sure you always put this away from you because you don't want to steam in the face, right? Because it can be hot. And here are our burgers. So we're going to go ahead and take these babies out of here. And let me move this cooker over. Okay, we're going to get these babies out of the foil packs. Ooh. Move this over here. I have a foil lined sheet pan. We're just going to take our burger. Ooh, look at that. Looking nice. Looking nice.
Smells like hamburger.
Look, smells like a burger. Ooh, it's looking real nice. Look at all that juicy. Juicy.
Well, that's the idea.
Whoop, whoop. That was good.
Be careful.
Burger number deuce. Wow, there's a lot of juice in them burgers. So what we're going to do, these are really thick burgers. So I'm going to take this little bit of barbecue sauce. We're going to go ahead and we're going to brush the burgers with the sauce. And we're going to stick these under the broiler just for a couple minutes to caramelize this sauce, get a little browning on it, make it all yummy, yummy, right? So let me broil these and we'll be right back. We got burgers. Look at these bad boys. I put cheese on one. Eric wants cheddar cheese on the one he's eating right now. And this is just barbecue sauce. So we put it in the oven for broil, only for 3 or 4 minutes maybe. Melted the cheese off and caramelized the barbecue sauce a little bit. So now let's assemble the burger. Okay, we're going to put, he wants a little bit of mayonnaise on the bottom bun. Little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
How's that look, Boo? You got your nice mayonnaise on there. Okay, so now we have stirred cheese a lot here.
Be gentle.
Oh, this burger is juicy as I don't know what, guys. Juicy as I don't know what. We're going to put a nice big slice of tomato. Wow. That looks like a burger.
Starting to.
How about a little lettuce?
Oh, yeah, little lettuce.
A lot of lettuce. You need your greenery.
I need my meatery.
We're going to make our lettuce pretty like this, so it sticks out a little bit on the edge. I'm fussy, huh?
Hey, McDonald's, are you taking notice?
Yeah, take note, Mickey D's. This is how you do it, right? And, you want more lettuce than that, Boo?
No, I think that's a good amount.
One more piece. You got to get some roughage in you.
Don't forget the mustard.
We got a little mustard here. Don't make me a lettuce sandwich. How about that? Holy cow, that's a burger, right? You want some chips, Bill?
Sure.
Hand me that can of Pringles over there. Those are the only chips I have in the house.
I don't know how many are left.
Good old Pringles. That's your side dish. So you got your burger here. Whoops, I got a little sticky outie there. Got you a little bit of Pringles here. I think it's ready for Eric to take a taste.
I think so too. All right, Amy did all this wonderful cooking, and I guess I'm the guest honor to taste test this. Lucky me, right?
It's made in a pressure cooker, Boo. Can you believe that?
I've never had a pressure cooker burger, I'll tell you that. I like the burger the way it's built because it's tall. It's going to give me a challenge. It looks appetizing, right? When we cooked it, it was juicy. I can tell you that because we took little temperature checks, and it was just great. So, I don't know. Try not to make a mess here. So
Let's see that burger.
look at that. That's upside down.
Yeah.
So, all right. I'm trying to do my best not to be a piggy, okay? So, keep your fingers crossed. So,
Looks kind of medium.
it's not exactly a medium rare, I'll tell you that, but it's good. So obviously we got good flavors, right? This was 85-15 ground beef, so the meat's obviously seasoned. It's not bland, I'll tell you that. And then we have all the good fixings on the top there, so it's definitely juicy.
Leaking all over.
So I definitely give it a thumbs up.
Your face.
I have a face. Why is it covered?
Yes.
So obviously it seemed like it cooked really well in the pressure cooker. And then we just did the quick with the broil and everything, get the cheese melted, get the top all happy. Keep an eye on that because you don't want to overcook, obviously, and it can get out of hand because broilers are very hot and very intense. So it only takes a moment or two. But yeah, this was quite interesting, and it is juicy. It's really flavorful, so I give props.
So cooks, you absolutely can cook a burger in a pressure cooker. It turned out really great. The pressure cooker did an absolute fabulous job. It's easy to program. It's absolutely simple to use, and I give it my thumbs up, no doubt. So that's the Sinfonio Simpot multi-cooker pressure cooker. Tons of different features, and I think you'll really like it. So once again, thank you to Sinfonio for sending that. Links will be down in the description. I really like it. If you like this video, please subscribe below, give me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me on social media. On Facebook, I'm at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. On Pinterest and Twitter, I'm at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. So now, let me get out of here so Eric can finish his burger.
Pardon me, do you have any gray poop on? No, sorry. This was a half-pound patty. I don't think it's a half pound anymore. Oh no.